delicious Nigerian style coconut rice. Now, you know me by now, I always start by prepping all of my ingredients, chopping all my vegetables just to get it out of the way. So in terms of the vegetables I'm going to use about 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 small Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 bell pepper in 2 colours, and also half of a brown onion. So I'm just dicing the garlic cloves, then I'm going to chop up the bell peppers, I'm going to slice the onions, and I'm going to dice the Scotch bonnet. So now I've got my pot and I've heated up 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to start sauteing my onions and my garlic. After that has sauteed for a few minutes and become a bit translucent, I then add in the rest of my vegetables and I cook this down for about 5 minutes on a medium to hot temperature. I also season it with some all-purpose black pepper and garlic granules. And you can't forget your Maggi cube. So once that's cooked down, I then add in my coconut milk. Here I've added in about 200 milliliters of coconut milk, and I'm just going to allow that to sit with the vegetables for a few minutes. After, I add in my washed rice. So here I've got about 1 3/4 cups of washed rice. I'm going to add this to this coconut mixture and mix it all together, and I'm also going to season it with 1 tablespoon of crayfish seasoning. Then I'm just going to allow this to cook and steam for about 30 to 40 minutes. You really want to cook it low and slow until all of the grains soften up. Now this is a super delicious rice. You can eat it on its own, that's how delicious it is, but you can also pair it with your favorite protein as well. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.